everyone, my name is Jessica and I will be your Italian teacher. Welcome! Are you ready to learn Italian? Perfect, this is your place. Today I'm filming my first video and today I'm going to teach you the alphabet. This is our alphabet. Now I'm going to read it. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, Z. So, very important, A, E, I, O, U are the vowels, the others are the consonants. As you can see, in our alphabet you can find J, K, W, X and Y, but they are not Italian letters, so we don't have official Italian words with these letters. So in Italian you can say J, K, W, X and Y. Okay, so I want to give you some tips / information about the Italian language. So, first of all nouns, verbs, adjectives, adverbs, they have to finish with a vowel. Another tip is that if you want to be formal, you have to use the third singular person. In English it would be like she, so you cannot translate it, but it's the third singular person. We don't have words start with H. The only exception is hotel, but it's not an Italian word. So, in last part of this video will be how to introduce yourself. If you want to ask to someone, what's your name? You can say, come ti chiami? If you want to be formal, you can say, come si chiama? If you want to answer, you can say, mi chiamo Jessica. For today, that's all. Thank you and see you on the next lesson. Bye!